Welcome. If you're looking to take a quick break from posts by a page on Facebook using your PC, the newest update makes it super easy to snooze that page for 30 days. You won't have to unfollow or unfriend, and you'll simply pause seeing their posts in your feed during this period. Here's a straightforward step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. This could be through the dedicated app or simply by visiting Facebook in your browser, if the update is reflected there. Once you're logged in and on your home feed, scroll through until you find a post from the page you want to snooze. Next, look at the upper right corner of that post and click on the three dots. This is the menu icon that holds additional post options. Clicking these dots will open a drop-down menu with various choices related to managing that post. From the drop-down, locate and select the option labeled Snooze Page Name. The exact wording may show the name of the page you're snoozing for clarity. Once clicked, Facebook will pause posts from that page in your feed for the next 30 days. This action is completely private. The page won't be notified that you snoozed them. That's it. No complicated settings or extra steps needed. During the snooze period, you can enjoy a cleaner, less cluttered feed without permanently unfollowing the page. If you want to reverse it before the 30 days are up, you can always unsnooze the page by finding one of their posts again and selecting End Snooze from the same menu. This handy feature is perfect when you want a temporary break from certain pages without severing your connection or missing out permanently. With the recent update, managing your feed control is easier than ever, right from your PC. Try this out today and take control of your Facebook experience seamlessly.